Jack Groves. I'm an apprentice under Sturgis, and I've been under this apprenticeship for 3 years now. I chose this career because, well, I've always been into cars and just kind of fell into the paint side of things, but I always wanted to work with cars. My favourite bit about the job is really being able to make something out of nothing. I like to see the changes I can make to a vehicle. I'm a bit of a perfectionist, really. If this wasn't my job, I would be doing photography. I was previously awarded for winning a photography competition at secondary school based on a theme of people at work. My experience of the competition so far has been very interesting. It's a completely new situation for me, but I've been enjoying it. It's just strange having people watch you and judge you for everything you do, but I'm enjoying it so far.